Your car suddenly becomes hard to start and it takes you up to like 3 or 4 cranks early in the morning to get it to start. Listen to the car doctor. I am the haze mechanic. This syringe is going to help you. Draw up some fuel into the syringe. Make sure the fuel is clean. And locate your fuel pump, which is mostly, in most cars, under the rear seat of your car, sometimes behind the driver's seat, sometimes behind the passenger seat, but majorly it's under the rear seat. In this car, to take it out, we have to remove that retainer. Carefully do that so that you don't break it. And we can take out the fuel line. So this is where the fuel comes out from, into the hole of that fuel line. So for diagnostic purposes, you put in your syringe and feed it with some fuel. Feed it till it's full and see how long it's going to take before it goes down. Normally it's supposed to hold and not go down. You can see. Can you see it's going down? Can you see it's going down? Let's feed it again. Again and again. Feed. It's full and it's going down. So that's your fuel pressure leaking back into the fuel pump. And that's why it takes a long time before you build enough pressure to start your car in the morning.